Hi, greetings from Om Namah Shiva. Thank you very much for watching my videos. You are welcome to Oil, Gas and Water Knowledge Hub. This video presentation on refinery turnaround shutdowns. This is on point number 4, as we discussed earlier. Procedures and work instructions for refinery and oil and gas shutdown activities. So here we will discuss certain points and try to understand. There are so many things to brief, but I am just compacting with minimum points for information and gaining the knowledge. If I take a big video, it's too big. Shutdowns means is a lot of activities are there. But the important points are discussed here. Procedures and work instructions are most important for any shutdown or turnaround jobs. First, we should prepare specific procedures. Here, the sense of specific means shutdown activities, individual procedures means shutdown activity, spades activities, P&AD walkthrough procedure, identifying the blinds, spectacles, reversal installation of walls, and hot bolting activities, procedure for hot bolting, replacement of gaskets. Many things are there. So we will discuss individual points in different video. Here, try to understand, prepare specific procedures, work instructions, how to do, when to do, what to do, why to do, these things. As per owner's manuals, every company is having one manuals, SOPs, standard operation procedures, and international codes, specifications, standards, and local governing laws. These things to be considered while preparing of the procedures. Prepare of work, scope of work first. What to do? Check integrity, inspection of process equipment, internal and external corrosion for wear and tear, and deposits formation. Check all electrical equipments, check all instrument system, check all piping system and its supports, review previous operating of each system and find anomalies. Check special investigations of all static equipments. That means vessels, fractionation columns, tanks, heat exchangers, and rotating equipments like pumps, compressors, steam turbines. Many things are there for abnormal conditions. Replace all worn out wear parts or equipments, internals, trays, demister pad, and different types of trays. Replace process material inside reactors like catalyst, like vanadium pentoxide, you can say, example. Ensure all new modifications to be carried out, including static rotary equipments and piping as per approved drawings. I would like to say Prior to shutdown, management may decide some MOCs, management of change, some additions in this fabrication, prefabrication activities, testing activities shall be carried out for piping or equipment, anything. How to do planning? Shutdown planning starts with a meeting between the production people and maintenance team. Ensure that. At the meeting, identify the tasks required and schedule them in computerized maintenance management system. And a micro planning also required. Mechanical shutdown activities, columns, process vessels, reactors, heat exchangers, air coolers, air preheaters, tanks, pipe fittings, disassembly of equipment, internals, and pipeline supports. Pipelines also. Micro planning of new equipment installations such as heat exchangers and tanks. Micro planning of prefabrication and installation of piping for MOCs or field management change. Allocation of the required spares, spare parts, resources, that means machinery, tools, manpower to shut down. These are the main things. Is it clear? We will discuss in detail some of the key points in next videos. For this video, watch the pictures. It is a refinery. Physical implementation you have to do. In this area, you have to work in shutdown. It is a big refinery. See this refinery, one of the biggest, largest refinery. It is, if you are able to, if the opportunity is there to work in this refinery, there are many things to learn. First, you try to understand, and they will explain you before entering the work also, classification of zones, different plants, and if you go to any FCCU plant and HCR plant, CDU, VDU, like this, so many aromatic plant, cokery plant, many things are there in this refinery. Everywhere, lot of hazards, heat, poisonous gases. These things you should keep in mind. Okay, we will discuss in our next video about the fractionation columns and furnace heaters. Already we have discussed about fractionation columns. Next video we will discuss about upcoming videos about furnace heaters. Each and every equipment are dangerous. Why it is dangerous? What is the process? What is the temperature, operating temperature, operational pressure, and flow rate? These things are most important. And you will never ever sleep under any equipment. While taking lunch, you will relax for half an hour or 15 minutes. Don't do that in the live refinery. Maybe one plant is shut down, the other plant is under production process. So people normally will try to take rest under the equipments. Where a lot of disturbance is there in the shutdown plant, people try to avoid this area and go to next area, next plant. And we'll see that at the end of the plant, there are equipments who will go and sleep there. It's happened, my friends, right? That's why I'm telling repeatedly. Do not do that, please. It is highly risk. People are no more. Suddenly, HDS gases will leak. This, once it is leaked, you will simply sleep forever. If you sleep under the process vessel, when the plant is under running conditions. Okay. And one more thing is, Every safety gears, whatever has been given to you, how to do it, how to apply it, how to wear it, you should learn. Example, breathing apparatus, safety harness, these things. Most important. Okay. These are the heaters. You can say crude oil processing heaters. There will be a video upcoming videos, maybe after a couple of weeks. Please watch closely, try to understand what are the risks, what are the hazards here are involved, especially work at height, work inside the confined space are very critical activities. Physical implementation you have to do in this area. You have to work in shadow. There is a big refineries. Okay, and what to do? These are the heaters. This is residential convection box stake. Okay, so for this, many work instructions and what exactly you should do, you should know. Very critical area, working in confined spaces, working in at heights, many things are there. So safety is most important for everything. A simple process application. You can see this crude oil which was extracted from the oil wells and it goes to the furnace called air preheaters. As I told you, first it will go to the convection box, from there it will go to the residential. From there it goes to the fractionation column like this. At 435 degrees, 300 degrees, 250, 220, 180, 60, 25, 25. 25 to 60 it is. So this is the range of, as long as it is going upwards, the temperature will decrease. Okay. Each and every stage there is a special product. It depends on density and temperatures. This is the normal operation conditions. So you have to replace this trace. Different traces are there. We will discuss in next video. You can see this trace. This is just example I am showing. Vapor will goes like this. And the downcomer area, that means the product will go upwards. This is a downcomer area. Temperature and density, higher density will fall like this to the downcomer. From the downcomer, they will collect the product. Like this, stage by stage, downcomers are there. Every downcomer, the liquid will come at its density and different temperatures, and from there, they will take a special product. Okay, my friends? These are the beam pumps. These beam pumps normally you can see in Gulf countries, many areas. Okay, air balance beam pumps are there. Manual operated beam pumps are there. Nowadays, the submersible pumps are coming. It's only for information, the basics. What is the beam pump? The beam pump function is to lift the oil by using this arm like this. This is just like a bucket pump. Okay. And the exchangers. Many exchangers are there. How to clean the exchangers, how to replace the tubes, what is shell test, what is tube test, what is combination test in the exchangers, and NDT activities for all the nozzles like this. You can see the nozzles and many valves, replacement, repair, testing. So exchangers, this is exchanger process is like this. This is shell inlet. This is shell side outlet. Okay. Tube side inlet and tube side outlet. Okay, my friends. Once you take the tube bundle, it will be like this. This bundle may be, as per TMI, you need to replace 10% of tubes can be plugged. If it is more than 10% of the tubes are leaking, you have to replace it. Okay. So just information I am giving, lot of activities are there. Talking, tensioning, we have discussed in the earlier videos what is talking, what is tensioning, all these things are applicable here. This is a basic pump, centrifugal pump. There are different types of pumps are there. So you can see execution part. You have to dismantle the piping connections. Okay, you have to replace some worn out parts, dismantling of the pump and the replacement of worn out parts, maybe impellers, volute casing. So, volute chamber, this is suction line, discharge line, impellers. Different types of impellers are there. Okay, these things we will discuss in the later stage. This is multi-stage pump. Earlier you have seen this is single stage pump. This is multi-stage pump. In single stage pump, only one impeller will be there. In multi-stage pump, there's multiple impellers are there. Okay. This is driven end, that is non-driven end. And we have seen these pictures for basic understanding and execution point of view, what exactly to do, certain points are observed. Now, once the shutdown is completed, you have to have procedure for handover to owner, operating heads, and obtain the completion certificate. This procedure should be in place. Okay, my friends. Thank you very much. Your knowledge is your asset. I am really happy it is useful to you. I hope that it is useful. I request all of you. There are 32 videos, upcoming videos for the shutdown activities. As I told you earlier, we cannot cover in one video. So watch all the series of videos and try to understand what are the parts to be used, what are the space to be used, and how to work, how to select a spanner, how to replace the seals and all these things, mechanical seals, and shutdown activities, walls replacements. You can learn from the upcoming videos. Okay, my friend, please subscribe my channel and write your comments, valuable comments. If you are a senior person, you would have understood what I am telling. Please give your inputs to further enhancement or development or adding. You can suggest me adding also. Anything I forgot, you can suggest me. All seniors are requested to suggest what else to be added in the forthcoming videos. And all juniors, sub-juniors, sub-seniors, please watch my video. Share this and write your valuable comments. Okay? Expecting your golden valuable comments and learn the things. There is no age for learning. I have learned many things at the age of 64. Okay? My friends, I am preparing these videos on my own interest to share my knowledge to the juniors and sub-juniors and seniors. Okay. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. Share to your friends. Subscribe my channel. Write your valuable comments. Have a wonderful time. God bless you all. Thank you very much.